Definitely yummy. Just steamed, very easy. Let me show you. Welcome to Gino's Creative Cooking. Here I am steaming the salmon. The salmon is nice and moist. I'm using a pot here with a steamer, of course. Yes, you can see it is not only looking delicious, it looks healthy as I use all the fresh veggies, lemon, garlic, dill, whine, parsley, and a bit of whine. You can find all the recipe in the description box. Everything will be listed there. And I'll also tell you about this pot later. It's also just great. Thank you for watching.